What to pack for travel. Hey there, welcome to Trending Videos. Today, we're talking about the age-old question, what to pack for travel. It can be a daunting task, especially if you're going somewhere new or unfamiliar. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll give you tips on what to pack for your next trip. First things first, make a list. It may seem like a small thing, but having a list can help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget anything important. Your list should include all the essentials such as clothing, toiletries, and any specific items you may need for your trip. Once you have a list, you can start packing. When it comes to packing clothes, it's important to be practical. Consider the weather and the activities you'll be doing. Pack clothing that can be easily mixed and matched, and try to pack items that can be worn multiple times. And don't forget to leave some space in your suitcase for any souvenirs you might want to bring back. When packing toiletries, consider the TSA's 3-1-1 rule. That means liquids, aerosols, gels, creams, and pastes must be in a container that is 3.4 ounces or less, and all containers must be placed in a single, clear, quart-sized bag. This will make it easier to go through security and ensure that your toiletries don't get confiscated. Electronics are a must-have when traveling. Make sure you bring all the chargers and adapters you need. And don't forget to bring a power bank in case you can't find an outlet. It's also a good idea to back up all your important documents and information on the cloud or a USB drive just in case. It's always a good idea to bring a basic first aid kit with you when you travel. Pack items like band-aids, pain relievers, and any medication you need. You never know when you might need them, and it's always better to be prepared. And there you have it. Those are some tips on what to pack for your next trip. Remember to make a list, be practical with your clothing choices, follow the TSA's 3-1-1 rule for toiletries, bring all the electronics and chargers you need, and don't forget a basic first aid kit. And most importantly, don't forget to have fun and enjoy your trip. Thanks for watching Trending Videos. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel-related content. See you in the following video.